Welcome, gamers, to the world of Counter-Strike 2. Valve has unleashed their latest creation, and we've got the scoop for you. We'll be talking about what's awesome about the game and what could be better. In simple terms, we'll be discussing the good and the not-so-good aspects of CS2. So let's get started and see what this game has to offer. First things first, let's talk about CS2's unique features. CS2 brings a sleeker user interface, making navigation smoother and more intuitive. Plus, the addition of playing cards for kills adds a touch of style. CS2 isn't just a game, it's a visual feast. It's brighter, more colourful, and the maps are like the Picasso of virtual battlegrounds. They've even changed how water and fire behave. It's like watching your favourite action movie in 4D, but without the popcorn. In CS2, the game's faithful visual overhaul is met with the game-changing introduction of smoke physics and their interaction with high explosive grenades, creating a dynamic that promises to reshape the meta. These strategic nuances, often unnoticed at first glance, add layers to the classic Counter-Strike mind games, offering players new tactics and challenges. CS2 excels in competitive play thanks to revamped matchmaking and ranking systems. Premier Mode offers in-depth performance stats for those who love digging into their gameplay. But here's the twist. In CSGO, we were used to having 30 intense rounds with the match swinging back and forth. However, CS2 switches it up, giving us only 24 rounds, which might feel different for experienced CS players. But as with any game, there are a few hiccups. 1. Missing Netgraph. Old school players will miss the net_graph command for tracking vital data like FPS and choke. It's an unexpected absence that some find frustrating. 2. Unusual movement. Movement in CS2 feels different, especially for those transitioning from CSGO. The game's increased resource demands can sometimes result in less smooth movement, but Valve is working on it. 3. Sound oddities. Some players have noticed peculiar sound issues. Footsteps, which are crucial in CS, seem less informative, leaving some players scratching their heads. 4. System requirements. CS2 demands more from your PC. While the Counter-Strike franchise has always been known for running on modest systems, CS2 might require an upgrade for the best performance. This could mean spending extra cash on better hardware. 5. Where's Arms Race? It's like going to your favorite ice cream parlor and they tell you they're out of sprinkles. Arms Race was our warm-up ritual, and now we're left feeling cold. 6. Performance issues. Some players have encountered stutter, lag, and FPS problems, making it feel like trying to hit a headshot while riding a roller coaster. 7. CS2 lacks support for left-handed view models, which can be disappointing for players who are used to this feature in previous versions of the game. Left-handed view models have been a preference for some players, and their absence in CS2 may leave them wanting for this familiar option. In closing, CS2 is a mixed bag of brilliance and quirks. Valve's masterpiece is still evolving, and we're optimistic that these concerns will be addressed in future updates. Until then, keep fragging, stay tuned for patches, and keep the gaming spirit alive. Thanks for tuning in, gamers.